Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to adapt web paragraphs in Windows 11 and 10. So without wasting our time, let's start the session. How to adapt web photographs in Windows 11 and 10. The this publishes talks about a way to adapt web photograph images in Windows. Web photographs format is a picture structure deployed via Google. It implies both lossy and lossless compression and is essentially acclimated on the net. It provides you higher graphic first rate in analogously lower image measurement than Jpeg and PNG that you would be able to quite simply view WebP photographs on home windows. Now, if you need to make changes to WebP pictures and edit them on Windows, you have got landed on the appropriate page. Right here, we are going to talk about distinctive tools that allow you to edit WebP photographs images. We have listed assorted image editing software. That means you can import, modify, and then consign web page pictures. There are some applications and online tools that can help you acceptation and edit web photographs. However, don't help you save them in web photograph format. Therefore, we now have kept them out of the record. Let us now accept a glance at the application and the steps to adapt WP photographs, web photographs on a Windows notebooks. That you may consume any of the underlined listed applications to adapt WebP photographs in home windows. Bedridden is a free and begin source photo modifying application for Windows 11. It supports a wide variety of graphics codecs to edit, including WebP and other like JPG, PNG, BMP, SVG, PSD, EPS, TIFF, static and animated GIF, and much greater, which you could quit simply acceptation of WebP photo, adapt it and then export it in its native layout. In case you wish to convert the edited WebP picture to one other accurate graphic layout, you would be able to try this too. Edit the photograph with the use of a considerable number of general and superior tools offered by using Bedridden. At the start, be sure you have put in GIMP for your computer in case you don't have already have it. Download GIMP from its authentic site and deploy it again begin the utility. Go to the book menu and use the originated options to browse and import a web picture, which you could additionally import numerous web images and adapt them in different tabs. Now you have got the equipment to edit the WebP image that you would be able to rotate, resize, crop, clips, reflect, change the canvas size, etc. That you would be able to exchange color, degree, temperature, posterize, publicity, alter, and so on. Practice filters like blur, creative, distort, noise, gentle, and shadow, and do etc. It also means that you can draw over the WebP photograph. If you wish to edit a WebP picture as a layered image, you can do this on GIMP. Additionally, you could add an overview to textual content, add neon glow consequences to text, get rid of the background, and do greater editing in Forbidden. After enhancing a WebP graphic, you could override the latest image file, overwrite or convert it to one more layout supported in its book. Export as acrylic is reasonably a popular graphic editor that permits you to edit WebP photographs. Besides the fact that children WebP photos had been no longer accurate in previous types of acrylic, users needed to set up an exterior plugin to exception, edit and retail WebP photographs via Paint. Web, however, its latest edition supports WebP images by using FGens. So be certain you have put in its newest edition to import and regulate WebP images in it. Simply start a web page picture by doing the file launch alternative, and then you should be in a position to view and edit the WebP photograph. For editing, it offers all essential equipment together with radically change, rotate, crop, resize, cast, and so on. Cartoon tools shapes like arrow, textual content, acrylic, brazier, etc. Color, stage, customization options, and more. It presents some convenient filters to alter the appearance and belief of WebP or any graphic such as Hebel, alter, blur, purple eye, removal, etc. that you can additionally control varied layers while enhancing pictures from the layers card. Afterwards, editing that you would be able to retail WebP in its fashion format or an additional photo structure. The use of the file keep as an alternative. Chase's Draw IES is an advanced graphic enhancing software using which you can adapt WebP photographs. For those who install this utility, it in fact installs three distinct applications that encompasses Chase's Draw IES Artisan, Chase's Draw IES Converter, and Chase's Draw IES Eyewitness. That you can exercise Chase's Draw IES Artist to adapt WebP and different pictures like PNG, JPG, GIF, PMP, alter creation, etc. without difficulty. Windows and install this equipment and then open it Chase's Draw IES Artist application. Afterward, click on the book originate choice to import a WebP photograph to it so that you can appear and edit. It offers a great variety of editing elements that include circle, resize, crop, advanced transformation, aspects, skew, standpoint, agitate, incandescent, resize, etc. A lot of results and filters, color changes, cartoon equipment, and creator. It even allows you to create icons from WebP photos. In addition, you may also actualize WebP animations via this application. That you would be able to go to the animations card and exceptions frames to actualize animation. For those who are performing enhancing the WebP photographs, reserve the use of the book store choices. If you are looking to catch human and edited photo to any other layout, you could spend the file consign alternative and choose the favored achievement format. It's a good photos account suite that lets you edit images including WebP appearance pictures, advocate photographs, create article and frame animations, generate cursors, design flyers, and more, which you can download from here. Real World Paint is a free WebP photograph editor for home windows. It means that you can adapt each static as well as animated WebP photo. That you would be able to easily import a WebP photograph and adapt it using numerous tools. Some best equipment provided in it encompasses annotating WebP photographs with a drawing besom, textual content device, shape line, etc., which you could also transform WebP images as you need. Apply filters to them adjust colors, changes in pictures, appoint a watermark on WebP photographs, and etc. In case you want to actualize an animated WebP, go to its create actualization alternative. For those who finally end up enhancing the WebP image, go to the file card and click on the save as or store for internet option and select WebP format as output. Picosmos Tools is a set of graphic processing equipment together with an editor, which means that you can adapt WebP photos. Should you install this application to your home Windows 11 workstation, you'll get two distinctive applications including Picosmos Shows Photograph Viewers and Picosmos Tools. Originate Picosmos Tools and you'll see a lot of photographs introducing and modifying tools. Some of the tools provided by means of its consist of crop and breakup, combine, batch, process, action, monitor, capture and extra from the leading reveal. Click on the editor tool. This tool allows you to adapt particular person photos reminiscent of WebP, HEIC, BMP, JPG, PNG, GIF, etc. To adapt WebP pictures, it presents alternate options like resize canvas, dimensions, crop, cast, rotate, color degree, color steadiness, grayscale, and extra. You could additionally draw over image and add a textual concept to photos, control layers, and observe a number of filters that you can store to the last outcomes in WebP or another layout that the use of the file shop as a feature. Xen View is a picture eyewitness and editor utility that let us adapt WebP photographs that you would be able to browse WebP for picture to commence up it in a new tab. In the new tab, you are going to see some exceptional enhancing tools together with the crop, resize, rotate, raise, colorings, personalize, color curves, and many others. You could additionally find a draw device in it using which you could add textual content, watermark, band, rectangular, and amphitheater to the WebP photo. You can then shop the edited web page image and the usage of the book save as an alternative. It's an outstanding reviewer with the diverse ordinary editing facets, the using of which you can make some primary adjustment to web photos. Irfan View is a popular image eyes witness which also act as a WebP editor for home windows that you cannot import WebP photo and then adapt them to the use of the photo card. Its graphic menu presents some beneficial editing tools like circle larboard, circle right, resize, trade the canvas measurement, add bound body, add hexagonal celebrity coronary heart, convert to grayscale, color correction, auto modify colorations, sharpen, purple, eye removal results, and extra, which you could exhaust these alternatives to adapt a WebP pictures in responsive to our requirements. That you can utilize the file save option to keep the alteration in WebP images. Jpeg View is a free open supply and portable WebP picture editor for home windows. It offers fundamental enhancing equipment. Simply begin a WebP photographs in it and you will see a circle clockwise, a circle counterclockwise, and a number of different alternatives that you could right click on the photo and consider various options together with serious change, photograph, rotate, alternate, the measurement, standpoint alteration, reflect, auto alteration, local body alteration, and many others. If you begin the photography in the full display, you'll see some greater enhancing facets together with contrast, beginner saturation, color alteration, darken, highlights, deep shadows, lighten shadows, and greater after editing. Right click the picture. Consume the key process picture alternative and choose achievement book layout as WebP. Other than WebP, it helps JPG, PNG, illustration, GIF, and different photo codecs to appear and adapt. That you can catch man WebP to a JPEG picture book. The use of any of the aloft mentioned utilities. These applications let you store the edited WebP in its native layout or export WebP to one of the other layout like JPEG. All of these assist JPEG as an achievement format. As an example, in Bedridden, you can import a WebP photo, adapt it if you if you admire, and then utilize the file. Consign as an alternative to convert WebP to JPEG or any other photographic picture. Neatly, that continues to be controversial, as both have their own professionals and cons. However, there are some benefits of WebP structure over PNG images. These WebP editors are also can help you to touch human and a WebP image to PNG format. Utility including GIMP, Real World, Paint, Accent View, Irfan View, and other mean you can consign WebP to PNG. Like the latest edition of Paint, Web helps WebP structure and permits you to adapt WebP and convert WebP to PNG. That's it. Hope this article helps you locate the appropriate application to get WebP photographs on Windows 11 laptops. So if you like my video, like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.